Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, beckons us on a journey through time. It's a city where myths and reality intertwine. Imagine a city shimmering under the Mediterranean sun. This city is a tapestry woven from the threads of ancient legends. Athens is where gods walked among mortals. It is where kings ruled and philosophers debated. Its story begins long ago, lost in the mists of time. But the echoes of its past still resonate today, whispering tales of glory, tragedy, and enduring legacy. From the slopes of the Acropolis to the bustling Plaka district, history comes alive. We feel the presence of those who came before us. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable adventure through the ages. Let's uncover the secrets of Athens, a city forever etched in the annals of time. You can check the links in the description for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Our journey begins with the mythical founders of Athens. Theseus, the legendary hero, is forever bound to the city. He slew the monstrous Minotaur, saving Athenian youths from a grim fate. His bravery and leadership united the scattered villages of Attica under Athenian rule, laying the foundation for a powerful city-state. Before Theseus, there was King Cecrops, half man, half serpent. He is said to have founded the city on wisdom and justice. These myths and legends, passed down through generations, reveal the values cherished by ancient Athenians. Another important figure is King Erechtheus, credited with establishing the Panathenaic Games. This grand festival honored Athena, the city's patron goddess. These early rulers, both mythical and historical, shaped Athens' destiny. Their stories, etched in stone and sung by poets, remind us that even the greatest civilizations are built on the foundations of myth, legend, and the indomitable spirit of those who came before. They laid the groundwork for Athens to flourish as a center of power, culture, and intellectual thought. As time marched on, the rule of kings in Athens began to wane. The people yearned for a voice, a say in their own governance. A new chapter was about to be written, one that would forever change the course of human history. It was a time of great change, a transition from monarchy to a new form of government, democracy. One key figure in this transition was Codrus, the last king of Athens. Legend has it that he sacrificed himself to save his city from invaders. After his selfless act, the Athenians decided that no one was worthy to succeed him as king. Instead, they established a system of archons, elected officials who would govern for a limited time. This marked the beginning of a more inclusive government, where power was shared among the citizens. The road to democracy was not always smooth. Pisistratus, a wealthy nobleman, seized power as a tyrant. However, even during his rule, Athens continued to prosper. The seeds of democracy had been sown, and they would eventually blossom into a system that would inspire generations to come. Don't forget to check the links in the description for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Section 4, the Golden Age, Pericles, and the Parthenon. The 5th century BC marked a golden age for Athens. Under the leadership of Pericles, the city-state reached the zenith of its power and influence. Pericles, a visionary statesman, ushered in an era of unprecedented prosperity, artistic achievement, and democratic ideals. He believed in the power of the people and strengthened democracy by allowing even ordinary citizens to participate in government. This period witnessed a flourishing of art, philosophy, and architecture, the likes of which the world had never seen. The iconic Parthenon, a magnificent temple dedicated to Athena, was built during this time. Standing majestically atop the Acropolis, it serves as an enduring symbol of Athenian power and architectural genius. The plays of Sophocles, Euripides, and Aeschylus, performed in grand theaters, explored the human condition with unparalleled depth. Philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle challenged conventional thinking, laying the groundwork for Western philosophy. The Golden Age of Athens, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and democratic ideals, continues to inspire us today. Check the links in the description for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Section 5, the Fall and Rise of Athens, Resilience and Conquest. The Peloponnesian War, a protracted conflict with Sparta, marked a turning point in Athenian history. Weakened by plague and internal strife, Athens ultimately faced defeat. The once mighty city-state had fallen, its empire shattered. Yet, even in defeat, the spirit of Athens endured. The Macedonians, under Alexander the Great, conquered Greece, but they recognized the intellectual and cultural significance of Athens. They allowed the city to retain a degree of autonomy. Later, the Romans, captivated by Greek culture, embraced Athenian learning and art. The Romans incorporated Greek architectural styles into their own buildings and spread Greek ideas throughout their vast empire. Though conquered, Athenian culture continued to exert a profound influence on the world. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. Modern Greece and Ancient Heritage. Today, the legacy of ancient Athens lives on in the heart of modern Greece. The ruins of the Acropolis, the Agora, and other ancient sites stand as a testament to the city's glorious past. They serve as a poignant reminder of the enduring power of ideas and the fragility of empires. Modern Greeks are fiercely proud of their heritage. They have woven the threads of their ancient past into the fabric of their modern lives. Traditional music and dance often draw inspiration from ancient rhythms and movements. The Olympic Games, revived in the 19th century, are a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Greek athletic competition. From the language we speak to the democratic principles we cherish, the influence of ancient Athens is all around us. Check the links in the description for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Section 7. A Timeless Journey. Explore Athens. As we conclude our journey through time, let the spirit of Athens ignite your imagination. Picture yourself strolling through the ancient Agora, the heart of Athenian democracy. Imagine the lively debates and bustling marketplace that once filled this space. Visit the Acropolis Museum, home to a treasure trove of artifacts from antiquity. Marvel at the intricate sculptures and pottery, remnants of a civilization that valued beauty and craftsmanship. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Plaka district. Savor delicious Greek cuisine at a traditional taverna. Let the flavors transport you back to ancient times, where food was a celebration of life and community. This vibrant city invites you to explore its hidden corners, uncover its secrets, and create your own Athenian adventure. Come, walk in the footsteps of philosophers, heroes, and artists. Experience the magic of Athens, a city where history comes alive. Check the links in the description for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. See you soon in Athens.